Welcome back to the Calm Mind channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important, yet often overlooked: self-care and its crucial role in maintaining our mental health. Now, when we talk about self-care, what comes to your mind? Is it a spa day, a shopping spree, or maybe a quiet evening with a good book? While all these can be forms of self-care, there's so much more to it. It's about nurturing our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of self-care, understand its importance for our mental health, and most importantly, share some essential tips for mental health maintenance. We'll also discuss healthy coping mechanisms that can help us navigate through life's ups and downs. Remember, taking care of our mental health isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So, whether you're here because you're curious, or you're seeking ways to improve your own mental health, we're glad you're here. Let's embark on this journey of self-care together. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Now, let's get started. Understanding self-care. So, let's start at the beginning. What exactly is self-care? It's a term we hear a lot these days, but it can mean different things to different people. At its core, self-care is about taking care of yourself, both physically and mentally. It's about recognizing your needs and taking steps to meet them. It's about treating yourself with kindness and compassion, and making time for activities that nourish your body and mind. Now, there are some common misconceptions about self-care that we need to address. Some people think it's all about indulgence or being selfish. But that's not the case. Self-care isn't about ignoring your responsibilities or always putting your needs above others. It's about finding a balance. Think of it like the safety instructions on an airplane. They always tell you to put on your own oxygen mask before helping others. That's because you can't take care of others effectively if you're not taking care of yourself first. Another misconception is that self-care is a luxury that requires a lot of time or money. But it doesn't have to be that way. Simple activities like taking a walk, meditating, or even just taking a few deep breaths can be forms of self-care. Remember, self-care is not a one-size-fits-all concept. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find what works for you and make it a part of your routine. The importance of mental health. Now that we've established what self-care is, let's delve into why it's so crucial for our mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also influences how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. When our mental health is poor, it can lead to a variety of problems. It can affect our relationships, our work, and even our physical health. It can lead to feelings of sadness, stress, and anxiety, and in severe cases, it can lead to mental illnesses like depression and anxiety disorders. But here's the good news. Just like physical health, mental health can be improved. And that's where self-care comes in. By taking care of ourselves, we can improve our mental health and overall well-being. It's important to remember that mental health is not a destination, but a journey. It's about making small, consistent changes to our lifestyle that can have a big impact over time. So, whether you're dealing with a mental health issue or just want to improve your overall mental well-being, self-care can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Essential tips for mental health maintenance. Alright, now that we've established the importance of self-care and mental health, let's dive into some essential tips for mental health maintenance. First up, regular exercise. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's also great for your mind. It can help reduce feelings of anxiety and depression, improve your mood, and boost your self-esteem. You don't have to run a marathon, even a short walk can make a difference. Next, a balanced diet. What we eat can have a big impact on how we feel. Try to eat a variety of foods, including plenty of fruits and vegetables. And remember, it's okay to treat yourself every now and then. Adequate sleep is also crucial. Lack of sleep can affect your mood and make it harder to cope with stress. Try to establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Mindfulness and meditation can also be powerful tools for mental health. They can help you stay present and focused, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. There are plenty of apps and online resources to help you get started. Don't forget about the importance of social connections. Spending time with loved ones, or even just reaching out to a friend, can boost your mood and provide support. Finally, make time for relaxation and leisure. Whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or just sitting quietly, taking time to relax can help recharge your mind. Remember, these are just suggestions. The most important thing is to find what works for you and make it a part of your routine. Healthy coping mechanisms. Now, let's talk about coping mechanisms. These are the strategies we use to deal with stress and difficult situations. Not all coping mechanisms are created equal. Some, like substance abuse or overeating, can be harmful in the long run. That's why it's important to develop healthy coping mechanisms. Healthy coping mechanisms can help us handle stress in a positive way. They can improve our mental health and increase our resilience. So, what are some examples of healthy coping mechanisms? Well, many of the self-care strategies we've already discussed can also serve as coping mechanisms. Things like exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, mindfulness, and social connections. Other healthy coping mechanisms might include journaling, practicing gratitude, seeking professional help like therapy or counseling, or learning new skills like problem-solving or assertiveness. Remember, it's not about avoiding stress or difficult situations, but learning how to handle them in a healthy way. And just like with self-care, the key is to find what works for you. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding and prioritizing mental health. We've discussed the importance of self-care, the role it plays in maintaining our mental health, and the essential tips to keep our minds healthy. We've also explored the concept of healthy coping mechanisms and how they can help us navigate through life's challenges. In conclusion, it's crucial to remember that mental health is just as important as physical health. It's not a luxury, but a necessity. It's not something to be pushed aside, but to be prioritized. It's not a sign of weakness, but a testament to our strength and resilience. Remember, it's okay to take time for yourself. It's okay to rest, to recharge, to do what makes you happy. It's okay to seek help when you need it. And it's okay to not be okay sometimes. We hope that this discussion has provided you with some valuable insights and practical tips that you can incorporate into your daily life. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's essential. And your mental health matters. Thank you for taking the time to prioritize your mental health today. We encourage you to continue this journey, to continue learning, growing, and taking care of your mental health. Because you matter. Your mental health matters. And you are not alone in this journey.